How to resolve backyard water problems, guaranteed.
Day 5. I always like to check my work, see how it's going, especially since it rained also last night. This is looking pretty good, and what I like most about what I'm seeing here is the water's all nice and clean. It's all being filtered. All the mud is being filtered by the gravel, and I've put lots of gravel in here. So this system's working great. But today I'm going to install some catch basins, one down here, and see if we can't get a lateral line running in here to a T, and another 10 foot of gravel perforated right here in this area. This is kind of a low spot. Once we get that in there, this yard's going to remain pretty dry. So this is a very deep catch basin, but we're going to go ahead and install it right here. And excuse me, we need to drill holes in the bottom of it. It's important. You know, this thing acts just like a cork or a buoy. Since the ground's so saturated, it'd just push it right up out of the ground. So you got to put some holes in the bottom of it, put some gravel base underneath it. Alright, I've put a couple extra holes here in the sides of it as well. I want that gravel to be able to encase this, so it'll just filter all the dirt out, or most of it, after this all settles in. Last thing I'm going to do is put in an additional pipe hole, 4 inches, and use a 4 1/4 inch Lennox hole saw. That way I have an inlet and an outlet. And we're ready to get that installed. Just bring back a little bit of gravel.
The backyard was an absolute mud pit, even before I got started. Keep in mind, this is day 5 of the installation. There is also a lift system, sump pump and pit, along with solid pipe, taking this water on out to the street.
Push it downwards, it'll start sinking in. And what I want is the level, the bottom of the pipe, once I get the water level to start coming in from the side there, that's going to be just perfect. Alright, let's just put a small piece of pipe. There's a bell fitting right here, so I can just cut a piece of pipe to fit in there. And you want that to stick out into the basin about 1 inch. Remember, holes face down. You want that water to be picked up by the pipe down as low as it can, because water saturates from underground up. You do get surface water that comes off of here, but this is an underwater hydrostatic table, and it's up pretty high right now. So you want to be sure those holes face down. And here's another tip. Always put a 90 on at the beginning of the line or a catch basin, but the 90 is facing down into the gravel. That way no mud or debris can get into the pipe. This area right here, we're going to go ahead and grade towards our gravel perforated pipe or French drain. And same thing from the fire pit. We're going to just grade that out towards the French drain. Always want a nice dry place for your fire pit. So again, whenever you're installing French drain and you're using polyethylene that have holes on one side of it, always face the holes down. All the lettering always goes to the top. That drain, the water's coming up actually from the bottom of the trench and filling the pipe, you know.
Perforated polyethylene pipe comes in two sizes: 4-inch and 3-inch pipe, 10-foot sections. Whenever possible, always use 4-inch pipe. It's much easier to maintain.
That looks real good. I just need to pull it back out of the catch basin, so there's just about an inch inside of the catch basin.
40-pound bags of 3/4-inch washed gravel are available at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Pretty much got all the gravel in there. Now I'm just going to move all the dirt that's along the sides of the trench and try to grade it so that water will go into the trench, any surface water. And I've been working out there in the back. You can probably tell that if we go back to a progression of what's been going on. But this stuff's pretty heavy. Once that dirt gets wet, it's mud and it's heavy. It's got to be 3 times as heavy as, you know, just some dry dirt or normal earth coming out of the ground. It's heavy. Into day 6, and the dogs allowed back out in the yard. We're going to throw it one time for Marty. Ready? Go get it. Here we go. Go!
With just 1 day of French drain operation,
Let me see. And he'd keep this up all day, wouldn't you, Marty?
this yard is dry enough we can bring out the pup.
Ow. Ready? Okay, go. Here we go. One more time.
With no worries of mud being tracked back inside the house.
Gonna have a nice dry yard. It's that guy. It's that guy. Working in my yard.
The installation of a French drain has made a miraculous change in this backyard.
It's nice to be done with a job of this size. Homeowners were so nice in accommodating the work that's being done here. But it's time to go. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain, reminding you it's easy once you know how.